Hey guys, welcome to my craft room. It's Lisa again. So I was in the Dollar Tree today and I got this idea, and I thought any of the wire goods, metal goods can be turned into stuff. So this is what I'm thinking. We take this and let's see, it's about right there. I'm going to take that and I'm going to zip tie it with this, like this. Just like that. Ooh. All right. And then turn it around and we're gonna zip tie this too. Come on. Don't be hating on me now. Like this. Okay. And then do another one on this side. And I'm just checking this out to see if it'll work. I don't know. I think it will though. I think it'll look pretty cool. If I can get it to... I don't even know if y'all can see what I'm doing. Oh Lord. I do not have my act together. Okay, so move that over like that. Zip tie that. I know y'all see these zip ties going everywhere and think, oh my God, she doesn't have a clue what she's doing. Yeah, I've got an idea. I've got an idea. It may or may not work out. But I'm gonna find out. Come on. Fit through there. There we go, like that. We're going to zip tie this. It's a lot of zip ties. This sucker ought to be good and stout. Alright. Oh yeah, I think it's going to work good. So now I'm going to zip tie. Let's do it through the top. Oh. And since I'm already there, zip tie this one on at the same time. It's gonna fall right now, but y'all will get my drift in a minute when I get it on. I think. I'll probably go to all this trouble. It won't even work. And then I'm gonna be frustrated. Okay, do that. Oh yeah, I think this is going to work out good. That like that. Perfect. Okay, and another zip tie here at the top. Like this. Y'all, I'm trying to do this with my cell phone on this janky stand I've got, so I apologize, but it's what I've got and that's what I'm working with. Now let's see. Alright, let's see if this works the way my mind had it. Okay, alright, looks good, well, decent. Now get my 10-volt scissors and cut off the excess plastic like that, like that. Woo! Come on now. Okay, and like this. this. All right. I'm going to come back up here, I think, and put some more ties on this up here. This. And this. Oh, I like it. Now let me show you what I'm thinking. So, I'm hoping this will work. Pulling all these out of that. It works! Oh my gosh! Look at this. Y'all. It holds my acrylics. Oh my Lord. Innovation. I'm loving it. Innovation. That's what we crafters are all about, right? Look at that. How about that? Boom chakalaka baby. I have a 2-story cargo. Just sit my pants on, y'all. And all it took was $5 from the Dollar Tree. $5 to make it. What? All right, so there you go. Organization at its best.